In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Zipbooks. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Zipbooks and look for the official website in the results. It should clearly identify Zipbooks as the accounting platform. Click that result to head to the home page. Once you're on the Zipbooks site, look for the option to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. You can enter your email and password, or if it's more convenient, use single sign-on through services like Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Choose the method you normally use to access your account. If you're signing up for the first time, complete the quick onboarding so you can reach your dashboard. After you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for invoices, expenses, reports, and settings. Before changing anything, glance at the top of the page to confirm you're in the correct company profile, especially if you manage more than one organization. Next, move to the top navigation bar and click your company name. This opens a menu where you can manage organization-level options. From here, select Account Settings. This is where Zipbooks keeps key configuration controls that apply across your company's data. Inside Account Settings, look for a section labeled Settings or Preferences. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a tab or a subsection within your company configuration area. Open that section to view general options that affect how your account behaves. Now, find the currency setting. You should see a drop-down menu that lists supported currencies using common codes and symbols. Click the drop-down and choose the default currency you want Zipbooks to use going forward. Take a moment to pick the one that matches how you bill clients and record expenses. If your team or customers operate internationally, select the currency that best aligns with your reporting needs. Once you've made your selection, click Save to apply the change. Zipbooks will use your new default currency for future transactions, invoices, and reports. Keep in mind that this typically won't retroactively alter past entries. Those usually remain in the currency they were originally created in. If you collaborate with others, let them know about the update so everyone is consistent when entering new data. That's all there is to it. By adjusting your company's default currency and account settings, you ensure your financial records reflect the way you actually do business, keeping your books clear, consistent, and ready for accurate reporting.